When I talked to my SA, she said it is really important that, and it was like a warning basically, you know, it was something you have to know in order to take care of this bag. Yeah, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to give you a first impressions review, and I also wanted to tell you some really important things about this bag because I know a lot of you are actually still trying to find one, and it is really hard. It is the unicorn bag of this year's Chanel Metiers collection. If you haven't seen my unboxing of this beautiful bag yet, then I'm gonna link it in the description box down below, and yeah, just go and check it out because I was really hyped when I got this bag. And so I've been wearing this one out a couple times now, and yeah, there are certain things I think I want to tell you about it. And yeah, like I said before, I know that so many people are still trying to get their hands on this beautiful bag. And yeah, so let's get right into this. First of all, I want to say that what I've noticed when I was wearing it, and if you haven't seen my shopping vlogs yet either, I'm going to link them in the description box below. It's really dependent on how the light falls onto this bag. Like now the ring light is basically unfortunately taking away a little bit of the beauty of these colors. You have to see these bags in person to get a good idea. But when I took it out, I got some footage in a different kind of light, and I feel like this comes the closest to the original colors, you know, so that's why I'm gonna put it up here. Also, I have seen so many bags. One of my friends was actually trying to find one too, and I was already pretty late to the game. However, when we were trying to find one, we only found a couple of these bags that were like almost entirely pink. This one, for example, this one that looks almost entirely the same, except for the blue is a little bit differently distributed on the little clasp here. You know, I've seen a lot of bags that, I think the bags that you can find now are the ones that don't show the rainbow effect as well as this one, for example. However, you know, some people, of course, they rather want to have like a pink bag that still has this beautiful metallic leather. So, you know, it's of course a matter of taste, a matter of preferences. But yeah, so that's what we found. Before I found my bag, my SA actually sent me different pictures of other bags as well that I did not like as much. So, you know, when I found this one, I was like, yeah, this is the one. One thing that is really important and that I want to tell you, because I don't know if like every SA has told their customer or not. When I talked to my SA, she said it is really important that, and it was like a warning basically, you know, it was something you have to know in order to take care of this bag. She said, like, nowadays with the current situation, if people use like a lot of hand sanitizers, you should not touch the bag. You definitely should not touch the bag while you still have hand sanitizer, while it's not dried yet basically. But also, you know, if you put a lot of layers of hand sanitizer on your hands, if you go shopping or something and you go from store to store and you know, always have to disinfect your hands again, you should not touch the bag, this metallic leather, afterwards. And she said it's really important. So I've been taking this one out a couple times, and when I went out I basically tried to not use hand sanitizer but to go and wash my hands with soap properly and then touch the bag again, if that makes sense. So in the current situation, I think that that's something that we have to take care of, especially because everybody is so hyped, right? They got their little rainbow bag and they want to take it out, they want to enjoy it, but I think that is something that I really have to warn you of. They said it's really bad for the metallic leather. So yeah, also in terms of first impressions, let me come a little bit closer. So this hardware is of course incredibly shiny. Let me see how close we can get there. What I've noticed, of course, like once you touch it, you leave fingerprints. That's not a problem. You could just take them off easily. However, if we open this up, I don't know if you can see it. I already have like little scratches on top, right here. And I have really not opened this bag a lot. However, the little clasp already leaves marks, so I thought that's something that you should take into consideration as well. Other than that, like, the bag is beautiful. I've shown you this before. Just go and check out my unboxing video for a detailed detailed view of this bag. So yeah, just take into consideration, you have to be really careful. Maybe leave the sticker on. You know, it's always a big debate as well. Do you leave the sticker on your hardware or should you not do it? Because it actually attracts like a lot of little dust particles if you leave the sticker on, which in the long term can also damage the hardware. So, you know, it's always like you have to balance the pros and the cons, I guess. Do you take it off? Do you get little scratches basically from the metal rubbing against each other, or do you leave it on but then you risk, you know, if you leave it on for too long, the little dust particles are going to damage it as well. I always think it's really, really difficult to make a decision. However, yeah, these are the only things that I've noticed. So no hand sanitizer, and just make sure that you try and keep the clasp shiny and beautiful as long as you can. Yeah, so I'm still absolutely obsessed with this bag, and yeah, for anybody who hasn't seen it yet, I'm gonna give you some more close-up shots so that you can enjoy the beauty of the colors, the color combinations of this bag. So yeah, it is a stunner. Like when I was wearing it, people approach you and they're like, wow, it's such a beautiful bag, where did you get it? And also some people know what it is. And they're like, wow, how did you get it? So yeah, it's definitely a conversation starter for sure, and yeah, it's definitely one of the highlights in my collection. Let me know in the comment section down below if your SA has warned you as well, because I feel like this is really something we should tell everybody because they are so special, they are so rare. Of course we want to make sure that we don't damage them, right? So yeah, I thought I'm gonna come on here today to, you know, keep this conversation going. Yeah, other than that, that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also, please keep me updated if you were still able to get your hands on one. I know a lot of you have actually tried to go through Personal Shopper, and yeah, I definitely keep my fingers crossed for you, and I hope that everybody will find their own little unicorn bag. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you guys soon. Bye!